Good morning. It's July 1st, Monday, and this is my pea harvest for this morning. Not bad. Staying on the lens. That's the first photo. It's July 19th, Friday, and it is hot and steamy. Anyway, I'm out here trying to fence in the potatoes and put netting them over the. Look at that, just over the cabbages. Meanwhile, I run into these guys, putting it, some guys turning green here, and so I'm going to try to harvest. I want to see this one. Looks like it might be bigger. The emergence of my first cob this season. Although you can't really see the cob, so it's barely noticeable of this particular stalk, which seems most like the original Hopi corn, the kind that they still plant. It's short. It's about 4 feet tall. And it has very dark blue ears. And I thought it was possibly a phosphorus deficiency, which it may be. I've been treating it with fertilizer. It needed fertilizing anyway. My whole garden needed fertilizing. It was time, and after that big rain, they were all looking for nutrients, I guess. But you can see, look at this one. This one's much bigger. It's probably 5 feet, 5. So it said the corn would get between 4 and 5 feet. But again, I just don't know. It's early in the morning. You should be able to see kind of the color contrast there. See how much darker the one is and shorter. It's the shortest one, but it is getting. These were actually the first ones to come up. They would come think of it. I'm pretty sure this little group. Is there two of them? I'm trying to think, do they both look the same? Yeah, they both do. So, I don't know, maybe the soil conditions here. It seems odd. But I'm going to keep track of it. I can't wait. I think if it has a viable corn, I want to save some of these seeds. See if they really are any different.